Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to properly unbox and set up your SG500 or SG1000 printer. Let's get started by first opening the box. Remove the packaging material and set out all the contents of the box. Remove all the blue tape on the exterior of the printer. Remove the cable port cover and take off the tape. Lift the top cover and remove the tape along with the printhead protection foam. All tape and foam can be discarded. Next, attach the power cord and plug it into the outlet. Once your printer is plugged in, press the power button to turn it on. Open the installation kit and unpack all 4 ink cartridges. The printer will now prompt you to open the front cover and insert the ink cartridges into the corresponding slots. After inserting your ink cartridges, your printer will start the initial ink charge. This can take up to 10 minutes. While you wait, load your heat transfer paper into your print tray, shiny side down. If you're using Wi-Fi, push the menu button on the front of your printer. Use the arrow keys to navigate the menu. Select System Settings and click OK. Next, scroll down to Interface Settings and press OK. Select Network and press OK. Scroll down to Line Type and press OK. Select Wireless LAN and press OK. Now that we have set the printer to use wireless connection, we can connect to the network. Press Cancel and go back to the previous menu. Select Wireless LAN Easy Setup and click OK. Then go to SSID Auto Search and press OK. Select which wireless network you wish to connect to and click OK. Press the button under the LCD screen under the word Enter. Now enter your wireless LAN password and click the button under Accept, followed by the button under Exit. Please note, if you want to go back a step at any time, you can press Cancel. There are several other ways to connect to wireless. Please visit our knowledge base at care.sawgrassinc.com to learn more. Now that our printer is ready, let's get our software installed on our Windows computer. Head to sawgrassinc.com. On the home page, hover on the Apps tab and click on Printmate. Scroll down to download Printmate and click to start your download. Download the software and open the file. Click the installation file to proceed. Follow prompts on the screen to continue the installation. When asked, select your printer model and inks. Select whether you would like to connect your printer via USB, Wi-Fi, or Ethernet, and follow the directions on your screen. If you are using USB or Ethernet, plug the appropriate cable in when prompted. Follow the instructions on the screen for this. There are times when the cable should be unplugged. Once your printer is connected, click Add Printer and choose your printer from the system preferences. Once you're done, click Finish. Your Printmate icon will appear on the top of your screen, ready to use. Printmate is officially installed. Now your printer is set up and ready to use. If you have any questions, be sure to check out our resources at care.sawgrassinc.com. Now it's time to head to your next lesson.